are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Toyota Motor Philippines is once again empowering Filipinos to create new memories and share stories with the 2021 update of its best-selling multi-purpose vehicle, the Toyota Innova. The Innova itself has a rich heritage and meaningful story, with the Filipino people having been the preferred car of generations of Filipino families for being a dependable, spacious, and comfortable road companion. Assembled in a manufacturing plant in Laguna, the new Innova has come a long way compared with its practical and well-loved predecessors, the Ranger FX and Revo. The MPV now prides itself with notable improvements in design and innovation that continuously evolved since its debut in the Philippine market in 2005. Starting at just $1.18 million for the JMT variant, Filipinos are assured of Toyota's signature quality, durability, and reliability, as well as great value in every Innova unit. The updated features of the 2021 upgrade make the well-loved MPV safer, sportier, and even more capable to take on daily mobility needs, whether for practical use or for family leisure. The new Innova is available in 6 diesel engine variants: V8, GMT, EDSL-MT, and JMT. The new Innova will be available in all of Toyota's dealerships across the country, starting February 20th, 2021. Learn more about this vehicle on our website, newsbites.ph.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.